Hey guys, today we're doing a new property video of the tour of a unique loft apartment on Silodam in Amsterdam. It's one of the most unique lofts I've ever seen. It's over 144 square meters living space, available per September 1st, and we listed it at 2,900 euros a month. There's optional parking for 200 euros a month, plus usage of the boat that the owner has right downstairs. Come have a look. So right now we're inside the loft apartment on Silodam. The loft is divided over 2 floors and the living room is on the 2nd floor. The living room is equipped with lots of windows with the most amazing view over the harbor, the water, the iconic building of Pontsteiger. The apartment is going to be completely furnished, has all this storage space built in, including TV and extra cupboards. And also the living room is equipped with a full working air conditioning. So right off the living area, on the left side, we have this great office space. Office space has lots of built-in storage. There's a guest bed up there, and from here you have the most beautiful view outside over the water. So through this beautiful staircase, which is in the center of this apartment, we reach the 3rd level where the open plan kitchen is situated. The open plan kitchen is fully equipped. We have an American size fridge, freezer, dishwasher, 5-burner induction stove, and all the pots and pans are included. Again, from the kitchen, the most amazing view over the water, harbor and the Pontsteiger building. So right off the kitchen, on the 3rd floor, we find the master bedroom. Master bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower, toilet and a wash basin. The bedroom is provided with a comfortable double bed, plenty of built-in wardrobe space, air conditioning and access to the loggia, the inside balcony, again with the most amazing view over the water and the harbor. So this was the property tour of Silodam 363, one of the most unique loft apartments available to rent today in the city. We're on the market for 2,900 euros excluding bills per month. It's over 144 square meters, 1 master bedroom plus a guest room, optional parking for 200 euros a month, and you can use the boat of the owner, which is downstairs.